When it comes to looking young, it's not just about easing lines and wrinkles. One South Florida plastic surgeon is using gender differences to guide his techniques. Local 10 health specialist Christy Kruger takes a closer look tonight at facial feminization.
There's been plenty of buzz lately about Bruce Jenner's new look, what some are calling too feminine. But Dr. Vartan Martirosyan says facial feminization is the philosophy behind a new way to look at plastic surgery.
The psychological perception studies that have been linked to plastic surgery show that feminine equals more attractive and masculine equals less attractive.
The process can start at the top of the head, the hairline to be exact, moving it lower on the scalp, then removing a section of the brow bone.
Some women and also men have very heavy eyebrows, heavy forehead, and we reduce the volume of that bone to give them a more oval-shaped and soft-shaped forehead.
Dr. Martirosyan can also recontour the eye sockets and remove a ridge above the eyes to soften the face.
It's a procedure that, believe it or not, is safer than a tonsillectomy.
And then there's a lip lift, removing excess skin between the upper lip and the nose. That's a procedure that held particular interest for Bonnie Erdek.
As he explained it, it seemed that it would satisfy my need, and then I wouldn't have to keep coming in for filler. This would be a more permanent solution.
Now, recovery from a lip lift can last just a couple of days. The other procedures, however, may result in prolonged swelling. And depending on the number of procedures performed, the cost can range from $2,000 to well over $4,000. With your health news, I'm Christy Kruger, Local 10 News.
All right, Christy tells us many of these procedures started in the transgender community, but are now moving more mainstream.